Hi, good morning, yeah.
See how good morning. Okay, no problem. Yeah.
Today I'm going to teach my mom how to make pesto because she always makes Indian food. So today I'm going to make her make pesto pasta.
Okay, yeah. We'll try it today. We'll make it and we'll learn it. I will make it properly. Okay. Come on now. Tell me what to do.
This is basil,
Okay.
but this is not tulsi. Don't take tulsi plant and make with that.
No, no, I'm not doing. Basil ना एंगलिकन तेरी है इधर. हमें भी मालूम है ये वाला. सब्जा leaves बोलते हैं इसको. इनको नहीं पता. मुझे पता है.
Italian basil without the stem. I removed the stem.
Okay.
I removed everything. I kept ready for
Okay,
you.
what to do now? Tell
Now
me.
first we'll start with garlic.
Garlic.
You have
huh?
to put the garlic.
So much
in
garlic
this.
is there?
Yeah,
This
yeah.
much you wanted?
Put.
Okay, see.
And
Yeah. See, yeah, I crushed it. Garlic. Nice aroma. Wow. Very nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
then once
yes.
it's crushed, we can put basil.
Okay, we don't want to, measure it.
No, 1 cup is like,
Yeah, 1 cup is, you can measure it, no, like this.
no, like little more than.
Oh, okay.
You
Then
don't
one and
have
half.
to measure. We're making 1 cup of pesto,
Okay.
but you have to put all the pasta together, like the pesto together.
Okay.
How much? No!
Oh, sorry. I don't know, no? So you have to tell me, na?
Yeah.
Then how I know that?
Okay, we'll make so much. That's enough. So together, you have to put everything together. So
Okay.
one part, everything will
Okay. Now what
grind
to
together.
do? Grind together. Okay.
Nicely grind.
Don't
Not so
tell
hard.
me this. Hey, what is hard is this? We have
Slow,
to do,
slow,
no?
you can do.
Yeah. Falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down.
Then do like this.
Yeah, 1 minute, no. Now only we can't do like this. See, it won't go. We have to do first mash it properly, then we can do.
This much is enough. You don't have to
Crush it
crush
more.
it more. Yeah,
Okay, okay.
because again with the pine nuts you have to crush.
Okay.
This was a full cup of pine nuts. My mother ate half of it. But
It's so
this much is
tasty.
enough. So
Okay.
you put this.
Okay.
Put this and crush again.
This is very expensive, I have to be very careful. Otherwise, they will eat.
I think little bit more you can.
Yeah, put it, I think so full.
Enough. No, it's because we put only half. So
Okay.
just half is enough.
See now. Okay, can I?
It doesn't have to become a paste.
Not
will just
paste.
be
It
like
won't. It won't become in this paste.
paste. Yeah, it has to be little grainy.
Okay.
You can use walnuts also if you don't.
But
find pine
walnuts better. This one only actually.
nuts. This
When
is
you
the
best. When you're making properly, then you have to make it properly only. Don't say that ki bhai, you can make it with the walnuts. You can make it with the peanuts. Not like that. See. My stone has become little bit small, I think so. See?
come on. Do
Okay. Oh,
little bit more. The pine nuts should get crushed.
okay.
Yeah, I think that's enough.
Okay.
Mm,
Yeah. See, now.
good job. Enjoy this moment also.
You always I will enjoy. Okay, please. Don't tell me that. See now. Okay. Check it out.
Nice.
Because you are my guru now.
Looks good.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay. See. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. The aroma is coming very nice actually. I love it.
You can put it in this.
No, we keep it like this only. No, we can
No, we need to add olive oil.
in this. Huh?
Mm,
Okay.
yeah.
What do you say this? Pasta?
This is pesto pasta.
Acha.
You don't have to add any spices because the spice comes from garlic. The salt comes from parmesan.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, so that's it. You don't need to add anything else.
Oh.
Yeah, now just add the olive oil to the pesto. Little
Okay.
bit.
Little bit. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Already my gas is on now. Okay. Can I make it the sim or what? Okay.
Yeah, you
I'll
can make it sim. This is not much cooking.
Okay. Now,
Yeah, little bit add like round, around. Yeah, enough.
no problem. The olive
Put
oil
olive oil
origin.
here.
Oh, there also. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, enough.
Okay.
We put less oil, but if you want more oil, people can add.
Okay. Now,
Now let's let it get little hot. Not full flame, ba.
okay.
Go.
Okay. Now,
Okay. Now
yeah.
put this pesto inside. Cooking time is only 2 minutes.
Okay, ठीक है.
Okay.
Yeah. Now my gas is medium. Okay.
Low.
Yeah, low only.
Now
Okay.
put it in.
Yeah. That sweet pea, it won't come.
We don't want sweet pea. We don't want high flame.
Okay.
Now get one karchi to mix everything.
Okay. Sorry. 1 minute. I'll take the. How I'll mix with this, yeah?
That's all. This is less cooking recipe.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah. Now add the pasta. Come on.
Hey, 1 minute. Okay, va?
Yeah, enough. There's no
Okay.
cooking much in this.
Yeah. Okay. Now pasta. Yes.
Now mix with this.
Oh,
What you using this karchi only from that time? No need.
Okay. Yeah.
This is not Indian cooking.
Okay.
Yeah, correct.
The aroma is coming very nice. That. Yeah, I want some this thing. I will say.
Why?
Pasta water.
For okay, you can
Yeah,
add some
because-
pasta water.
Yes, because I like that Maggie type.
Yeah, that's not
Watery.
pesto.
I'm not doing little spreading, yaar. I'm not using. Just spreading. That's all. Otherwise, it won't spread. No. That is like a thorn only. It's not going. So, see. Okay.
Yeah,
Huh.
that's it. Now we just have to add parmesan. That's all. Cheese.
Okay. Huh.
Aye, you're so high. It should not do this pat sound. So no salt, no pepper.
Oh, no salt also.
No need.
Only who can eat tata. Tata tati only they can eat this one. No spice, nothing.
No spice, nothing.
Yeah,
Only
because the
original.
Italian people they won't eat more spice and all. But Indian we eat, no. Then I can add little bit and they eat, na. Why you looking like this?
Okay,
Please, yaar.
make it Indian pesto.
Yeah, not Indian pesto. Why Indian pesto? That is also, yeah, the chilies and all they will also use, no. What is the wrong in that? What are you talking, yeah? See now, this is a just pesto pasta. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Now we
Try.
are going to. I will try. Very hot, no. So how I will try? 1 minute. This is no taste only in this, but the people will like this now young generation, Gen Z. Now I'm going to add my chilies. Yeah, you
give
keep
me
it this one. Okay, better. Okay.